Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Defender 110 D250 X-Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Santorini Black exterior complementing the X-Dynamic exterior pack. Also coming fitted with LED headlights as well as 20-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Defender 110 also benefits from low mileage as well as a full service history. Also coming with a boot capacity of up to 786 litres. Stepping inside now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system, driver seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with heated front electric seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.